How's it going, everybody? This is Chris Off-Road 8 coming back with another video. Today I just wanted to get into maybe 5 things that I hate while I'm out riding my motorcycle. I already experienced one of them today. It's other cars. Number 1, cutting you off, not looking at you, not paying attention, on their cell phones. You know what I'm talking about. I don't need to go into further detail about that. People suck. Sometimes. People are magnificent. And they also suck. Number 2, going past dead animals, such as skunks, possums, raccoons, that have been decaying for quite a while. Dude, in a car, you don't really get, you get maybe 10% of what that smells like. You're going by on a bike, holy shit. You know what I'm talking about. It goes in your mouth, goes up your nose. Oh, you pretty much cry skunk tears as you go by. Sucks balls. Number 3, when people are pressure washing their gravel driveways, or so it seems like, and put all the dirt from their driveway into the road while you're leaning. Another one, bonus, Harley Riders that do not wave back. What the fuck, man? What are you doing? What is the point of that? You're just not friendly, or just because I'm not on a Harley, I'm on a Ducati, not good enough? Who cares? Whatever. I'll still wave at you. I'll be friendly. Because I love my fellow motorcycle rider. And I love riding. And so should they. And so should their kids and grandkids. That was just a bonus, though. Back on to animal smells. Oh, off of animal smells. Number 5. Or was that 4? I lost count. Number 5. Rainy days. When you're riding on a rainy day and the car in front of you cannot drive on a rainy day. On a motorcycle, big misconception. Not so hard to ride a motorcycle in the rain. You have to be a little more cautious. You can't get on it as much out of corners or anything like that, but pretty much if you're riding in the rain, it's just, I don't know, you're out of your comfort level a little bit, maybe. It really doesn't affect you too much. You just got to do it. Get the experience. Go out in the shittiest weather. Go out during a rainstorm, stuff like that. Do not wear a tinted visor or tinted goggles or whatever. That would be like my only recommendation if you're riding in the rain. Just because you can't see shit. You can't see anything if you're riding in the rain with tinted goggles or a visor. If you're wearing clear, you're alright. If you have goggles that have like a dual layer, like some motocross goggles, like FMF or 100%, that have that dual layer lens, dude, perfect. Then you won't fog up. It'll be great. And then you can get that experience riding in the rain, just so you stop being so scared of it. There we go. Harley rider that waves. That's what I'm talking about. Dude, it's all love. It's all love out here. We're all watching out for each other. I'll watch out for anybody else. If anybody's pulled off to the side of the road on a bike, I'll check on them. Just to make sure, you know. We got to take care of each other. We're all out here having fun, doing a pretty high-risk thing, you know. And it's great. I love it. Can't get enough of it. So that's what, 5? Yeah, probably 5. That's all I can think of right now. I'll probably do another episode of this later on. I'll definitely do an episode of 5 things I love while being on my motorcycle. Stay tuned for that one. But in the meantime, you guys have yourself a good week, weekend, holiday, however long it takes me to put out the next video. Enjoy yourself. Seriously, life's too short. Live it up, man. Keep riding. Get out there. Love you guys. Peace.